DJI Ronin S with Xbox One controller. Welcome back to TakeApart. Today I will show you how to control DJI Ronin S with a Xbox One controller and of course with a live feed from Accsoon CineEye. As you can see, it is mounted on the top. Also, I'm testing my new 200PL mount. I will have a full video about it soon. So let's turn on the camera and Accsoon CineEye to enable a live feed. Open Accsoon app and just like that it works. Now power up gimbal battery and turn Ronin on. Make sure you balance payload properly beforehand. Alright, open up Ronin app, go to create and gaming controller. Now power up controller and all should be ready to go. You can assign joysticks and buttons to the different things. As you see, my left stick is for panning and right one for tilting. The A is set to recenter. Also X is for taking picture and B is for start and stop recording. That's all you can do, but it is fun and definitely useful, especially at this price point. Keep in mind there is a slight delay as the connection is via Bluetooth, something you just need to get used to. Please check product links in description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching and please stay tuned for next upload. See you.